Well, I make hand tools, woodworking hand tools, and I've been doing it for 39 years here in Warren, Maine. My father was a boat builder locally. I got interested in tools working for a hand tool company in New York for a few years after college. I came back to Maine and I started making one tool, and one thing's led to another. Now we have 100 employees, worldwide distribution, both retail and wholesale.
6 years ago, we were in great need of a software package that could wrap around all the needs of the business.
One of the things that first brought us to Fulfil was the ability to run the production of the shop through the system in an orderly way.
Actually, I started at Lie-Nielsen Toolworks about 7-8 years ago down in shipping with Tammy. Did that for a little bit and then I decided I want to try something new. So I started doing a little bit of coding. I asked Tom, I said, can I try to branch out, maybe do some IT? And he said, sure. Started learning how to code 2 years ago with no experience at all. There's some things that I can have the API do for me, pick apart, pick the BOM for that, how many you're going to do, and then create the production order from scratch. And then it allows you to work through all the different work orders.
In addition to inventory tracking, we need the ability to manage our purchasing process and our production flow process, tracking sales orders and providing customer service, shipping the tools out to customers all across the world.
My name is Elizabeth Lano, and I am now the financial comptroller here for Lie-Nielsen Toolworks, generating journal entries through Fulfil. And we have some handy tools that were put together for us to help create those journal entries a little bit faster. So that includes things like basic templates, where we just have to plug in the numbers. It tells us what numbers it wants from where, and then from there it generates the journal entries, and we can post those once we check that they're correct. Mainly doing the kind of financial day-to-day stuff for the business, so that includes everything from depositing cash and checks to double checking the expenses and things like that.
Shipping manager. I have a great team with me. We use Fulfil to pick and pack the orders. Rayanna uses Fulfil to receive when we get shipments in, truck shipments.
I've been able to create reports to show Tom pretty much a bird's eye view of where things are, where they're moving, and in those instances we can see how much better people are doing, how much faster the parts are moving through the shop. So then we can actually forecast when we're going to have things in stock for our customers.
We're able to keep good track of inventory and workflow, as well as capture other sorts of data that we need through Fulfil. The more that Fulfil can support me to free me up to do that, the better I like it. That allows me to do what I'm good at.